Hello, is your girl Gladmikova TV, your sister, your friend. Please, if today is your first time you're coming across this channel, please subscribe to your girl channel and hit the notification bell. So anytime I drop the video, you will be among of the first people that will get the notification. Yes, in this very topic, I'm going to discuss about be strong enough to stand alone.
Sometimes in life there are times when I don't know what to do. You
So things that will make you strong in life, that will make you go far in life. Yes. Number one of it, be strong enough to stand alone. Very, very important in anything you are doing in life. Be strong enough to stand alone. What does that mean? It does not mean that you will not have people around you. It does not mean that you will not have friends around you. No. What I'm trying to say here is that if these people are not there, can you do it without them? But above all, you depend on your God. Yes, depend on your God. These things, this number one thing I'm saying, if you are doing anything and you are strong enough for yourself to stand alone, you will go far. The sky will be your limit. Yes, the sky will be your limit. Without, if maybe today you have these people, this person need to be around you and you did not see this person, can you do this thing? Can you do this thing that you are willing to do without seeing people? Can you do them? So there are things you can do alone. There are things you need to know that you know that you can do it alone. Be strong enough to stand alone in some certain things in life. Maybe, for example, you want to do something. This thing, yes, with people it will be okay. But without them, you can still be okay if you are sure, if you are strong enough to do it alone. That is number one. Number two of it, be smart enough to know when you need help. Yes, be smart enough to know when you need help. Be smart enough to know when you need help. Because there are some things you don't even need help. If you sit down and relax and take your Bible and you take your pen and paper, you can just sort it out. But when you just keep on asking, not no, things does not work that way. Be smart enough to know when you need help, when you need it, the particular time or the area that you need this help in your life. Be smart enough to know it. Number three, and when you know these things, be brave enough to ask questions. Yes, be brave enough to ask. Know the time. Number two, don't miss it together. Number two, be smart enough to know when you need help, to know when you need it and how you need it. Number three, be brave enough to ask questions. Be brave enough to ask for it. Yes, if you know the area, if you are smart enough and you know the area you need help, be brave enough. Be brave enough. I'm still repeating it for you to understand it wherever you are watching this video from. Be brave enough to ask for it. So in anything you are doing, if you don't, maybe you ask one or two people and they turn you down, does not mean you should relent in it. Don't relent. Keep on going. Life goes on. Still ask other people. Be brave enough to ask people about it. If you are doing something and the thing is not working out, and or the thing is not the way you expect it to be brave enough to ask the people that you know, that know it more than you. very, very important in things that these are some of the things that can keep you going in life. Yes. Number 4. Yes, number 4. Keep away from people who belittle your ambition. Keep away from people that belittle your ambition. These people that belittle your ambition does not really mean they are your enemies. No. It does not really mean that they don't like you. No. But that thing you are doing, they don't see the worth of it. They don't see the worth of it. They don't see anything good in it. So this thing that you are doing, that you yourself know it make you happy, or you know is a very good thing that will keep you going in life, keep it away from these people. Keep that particular thing away from this set of people. Very, very important, because they don't see your worth. They will not encourage you no matter how you do it, until when did something come out successful, you say, I thought you cannot make it. Oh, I thought you cannot do this. Oh. But that particular time you are doing it, keep it away from them. Yes. Number 5. Number 5. But number 5, you need to go closer to the people that see the worth of what you are doing. The great people that see the worth of what you are doing. You know, in anything you are doing, there are some set of people that see the worth. Yes, that see the worth of what you are doing. Yes. The great people will see the worth of what you are doing. They will feel it, that one day you will become a great person in life. Yes. The people that see the worth of what you are doing, they are great. And they will feel it. These people, they will feel it. They will know it, that this person, one day, it will become a great person. They will know the worth of what you are doing. They will feel it, and they will say, one day, this person will become a great person in life. You go closer to these people that know the worth of what you are doing. If you are in a set of people and you are doing something, they don't see the worth of what you are doing. That particular thing that you are doing, keep it away from them. It will help you in life. These great people, no matter what they will do to you, don't take it as anything. That is the area that if you take it, it will affect you. If you yourself see these people that they are great, and this thing that you are doing, you want to be great too. Don't go away from these people. Always stay around them. Something might come up, something might wave, something might, I don't know, that will make you, I should go away from these people. No, don't go away from them. But now that you don't go away from them, know that they know your worth. Anybody that don't know your worth will not respect you, will not respect that thing that that thing that you are doing. The person will not respect you. It will not appreciate that thing that you are doing, because it don't know your worth. But if the person that know your worth will respect you, the person will respect you, and that thing that you are doing will encourage you more and more, and the person will give you more idea. Yes, the person that know the worth of what you are doing, because the person is safe. If it does not have the opportunity to help you, the person that know the worth of what you are doing, he or she will introduce you to the people that can help you, that know the worth too. You see it. So if you are with these people, something might come up, something might wave, but just stand still and say, yes, I know what I'm looking for. I know what I want. Let me get it. Very, very important. It will keep you going. It will keep you far in life. These are some of the things that will make you to become a successful man or woman on earth. These are some of the things. Don't just stay with the people that belittle your ambition. If you are with them, you will not go far. The people that belittle your ambition, if you are with them, you will always be below them. Yes. But when you are with the people that are great, wow, you will see that every day of your life, you will see good things. You will see brand new things. You yourself, you see you are changing. Yes, it's very, very important. Thank you very much for watching this amazing video. God bless you. Please share the video out and let people see some of the things that make people to go far in life. Yes, this video to help people. Don't just watch it and keep it. Share it. God bless you.